So today we're going to take a look at using the average function in Excel. Basically we have our scenario here, we have some locations, we have the total sales locations, and we just want to know on average what is each location performing. So the way we work that out is we've already got our total, as you can see here, we've had these up, not that the total's relevant, but all we do is press equals and we type in average, which is there, and then we just want to highlight our value range. You can also do this with just a few, just like putting the commas, so you could have like B3, comma, B4, comma, B5, if you really wanted. So we've got our range selected there, and then all we do is just close the bracket off like so. And as you can see, that is our total there. And we can always just check it against the calculator down here. So if we put in 219105 divided by 6, because there's 6 different locations, you can see that it's the same amount. If we change one of these, if we put another one on, you'll see that average jumps up. So that's how you work out the average of an array of values in Excel. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.